Minasan konnichiwa, Abby desu. Hey guys, it's Abby, and in today's vlog, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few things that I purchased at Daiso. These are a few things that I purchased like kind of in different days, different moments, and I finally decided to show you guys a mini haul. So let's go ahead and start off with this first item, and this is a really cute bag. When I saw it at Daiso, I was so like just excited to see that they had an item like this. It's so cute. It has a very pretty pattern to it, and it's pastel purple. And then here are some really cute notebooks. I have started my Japanese classes online, and I knew that I would need some notebooks for my class. I started using them already, and each one I'm using it for different things. One of them is for a notebook that I've been using to kind of keep count of how expensive it would be to study at a language school in Japan, so I'm just using that kind of like as a kind of a little notebook to really just keep track of how much money I need to save up for Japan. The other book I use for studying Japanese, and the other one I use it for my actual class. Here is a really cute little, I think it's like a little game. I think it's for kids, but I thought it was so cute, and it had like a really cute kawaii anime character on it, so I thought that why not get it? It seems like there are a bunch of stickers, and you can kind of create a cute outfit for these anime characters. It kind of reminds me of those really cute dress-up games I used to play as a kid, except this is more like an actual paper, and you all like physically have the little outfits. And they are just pretty much stickers, and you can kind of dress up these cute anime characters. I thought it would be really cool for like a cute little summer party or hanging out with my friends and just kind of doing that for fun, or even just with my family and my sisters. This is a really cute thing that you put for your pencils. And then this is a really cute notebook. Now, I'm not really sure what this is for, but I decided to use this for studying kanji because it does have this transparent paper, and in the back you have these cute little blocks. It kind of looks like I guess the type of paper you would use when you were in school and you did math, except for this I'm using it for kanji, and the letters are really big. I just felt like it would work really well for that, and my sister actually purchased it before, and when I saw it again I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase it because it would work really well for that. This is a cute little cup with, I think they're bunnies, the two little bunnies, and it's got this really cute pink design, and I knew I had to purchase it because of how kawaii it looked. I'm not really sure what I would use it for, but I think it would work really well for some rice. I like eating with cute plates and cups, so I thought that would work really perfectly. And then here I got some really cute hair clips. These are black hair clips. I feel like would work really well for a kawaii hairstyle. And then these really cute elastic bands. These are very small ones, and they're very colorful. I think it'd look really cute for like cute little small pigtails. I don't know, I just thought they were so cute. I love doing kawaii hairstyles, so I thought why not? This is a really cute little plate that I think it's supposed to be for kids, but I thought it was adorable. And I just always like having these kind of plates where I can have my breakfast and I can just kind of separate everything, like my salad or I don't know, whatever I'm eating at the moment. I thought it was really cute. And like I told you guys earlier, I do love getting cute plates and cups and just whatever I can get a hold of while I eat, because it just makes me so much more happier. And here you guys can see I also have this little cute set with chopsticks. There is a spoon and a fork right there. Once again, I think it's for kids, but it is so cute and perfect for a bento box. Like if you are on the go and you are making your kind of own bento box at home, you want to have nice spoons and forks and just have something to use to eat. And I thought this was really cute. And it has this like, really cute character. I think it's a dog, I'm not really sure. And then this is the entire little collection here. This is all the items that I showed you guys in the video, and this is like my entire little Daiso haul. I think all the items are so cute, and I definitely recommend you guys to check out Daiso to get some cute notebooks if you guys are studying Japanese or you're just a student or whatever. Just they have some really cute, inexpensive notebooks. So I recently got some contact lenses from the brand Pinky Paradise, and it didn't really work out as planned. These contact lenses are meant to kind of enlarge in your, I think it's like the cute dolly eye enlarging contact lenses, except these really made your eyes look big, and it just made me look kind of, according to my family, I look a little demonic, look a little possessed. So definitely not what I was going for, but the packaging was so cute. I was a bit disappointed because it did take forever for me to receive these, and I had to like message them because apparently I had already received them, and I said nope, I never received them. It was complicated, but luckily they arrived safely, and it was just, honestly, it was my first time wearing contact lenses. When I actually put them on, I was kind of scared because I've never worn contact lenses before, but they're really cute. These have prescription on them because I am nearsighted. I cannot see very well far away, so I really wanted to have prescription, but I only ended up using these for like probably one time. I actually filmed a video where I kind of talked in depth about how I felt about them, but for some reason I think I deleted that video, and I was really sad about it, and so I said, you know what, it's okay, I'll just make another one, because I actually ordered some other ones where I do not look like a demon, and I will be doing a review on that for you guys, so please be looking forward to that. So here is going to be a cooking montage. So my twin sister is obsessed with baking and cooking. She is particularly like really good at baking, but she's also really good at just cooking like regular like savory foods, and here she wanted to make carbonara pasta. We actually ended up trying carbonara pasta for the first time when we were in Japan. We tried the carbonara pasta at the konbini, which was, oh my god guys, amazing. It is so good. And the one we tried was very like, I guess, very Japanese style, I guess. I think that in the US it's a little different, but in Japan we tried the Japanese version. It was so good. We also tried it at a Italian restaurant in Japan, which once again, the Italian food in Japan is, at least the restaurant that we went to, was very Japanese style. It wasn't, I guess, your typical Italian cuisine. Just like here in the US, if you try Italian inspired food or at a restaurant, Italian restaurant here, for example, like Olive Garden, which I don't think they sell really authentic Italian food, it's kind of like that. They're always trying to appeal to the taste of wherever they're from. You know, they're trying to appeal to the taste of Americans. If you're in the US or in Japan, they're trying to appeal to the taste buds of Japanese people. But me and my sister loved the carbonara pasta and their style. It was really just amazing, really good, very tasty. And my twin sister decided to recreate it. And this is kind of her attempt at trying it out. I'm not sure if she looked at a recipe or anything, but it was really good. She really went all out. And here you guys are seeing her amazing skills. This was definitely very nostalgic after like I had it. You guys are kind of seeing how my sister prepared it, but it was so good. Like, it just tasted so like tasty, and it just makes me really want to go back to Japan. The food from the konbini in Japan, the convenience stores, is so good, guys. Like, it is really good quality food. If you guys live in the US like I do, you guys know that if you go to a convenience store here, the food is not that good. I mean, you just get, like, if you go to a 7-Eleven, you don't get no fancy meals. The food is just really just not that good at all. So it was really nice to just be able to go to konbinis. One of my favorite parts of Japan was really just the convenience stores. They were so convenient. I got to pay my bills there. I was studying at a university at the time, so I needed to print out papers, and the konbini was the place to go. Lawson's was the one that was in front of my university, so I would go there a lot since it's one of the many convenience stores that you'll see in Japan. But they had so many amazing foods, and it was just, you can even get some groceries there as well, which was amazing as well. So I know, I just loved it, and it was very nostalgic to eat the carbonara pizza, so it was very nostalgic to try out that pasta. My sisters and I also finished watching the Korean drama Bulgasal. It is honestly an amazing K-drama, guys. Check it out. It's got a perfect balance between like romance and suspense and thriller, and it's just really good, guys. Check it out. I'm a pretty big fan of K-dramas, and when I watched the finale of this, I was just shocked. It was just such a good K-drama. Check it out. It's on Netflix. Then I ended up getting ready and ended up going to the mall. I ended up going to Miniso, and oh my god, guys, they have so many cute items here. They have these really cute plushies that I thought Karina would love so much. These are macaroons or macaron. I don't know how to say that right, sorry guys. But they were so cute. I thought they were like the pastel pink and purple were just adorable. They have a bunch of really cute things here. To be honest, I'm more of a Daiso girl, but they do have quite a bit of very cute items at Miniso, so it was definitely a great trip. Here you guys can see this really cute water bottle with this really cute heart lid. They have a lot of really cute stationery and a bunch of like BT21 items as well, which is really cool. So it's definitely a really cool place to check out. If you guys have not, let me know, are you guys team Daiso or team Miniso? Even though I love Miniso, I will always forever be a Daiso girl. I just think they have so many cute items, and in my opinion they're a lot cuter. I don't know, both Miniso and Daiso are Japanese brands, Japanese stores, but for some reason I just feel like Daiso has a lot cuter items. And this is my outfit for the day, very nanchatte seifuku inspired outfit. I was wearing this white button-up shirt with a white cardigan with my red bow and this red skirt as well, and my adorable bag. I am planning on doing a haul because I did get quite a few new items for my nanchatte themed kind of outfit, I guess, or my kind of little collection that I've created, I guess. And then here we ended up getting some sushi that we purchased at Costco. There was like this really cute like sushi party tray, which was really cool, although sadly it was like not very good. The rice was like hard, it wasn't soft, it was just, guys, it was bad. I was really sad about it. I ended up eating like a sandwich after this because I was so disappointed with the sushi, but I mean, I tried it. I mean, I thought it would be good, and sadly it wasn't. Later on the day, my sister ended up making these really awesome beignets because my family and I are obsessed with Disney. I mean, I'm a huge mega Disney fan, and we ended up watching The Princess and the Frog that day. We decided to do kind of like a Disney day, so we watched Princess and the Frog and we made beignets. More like my younger sister made beignets, not my twin sister, my other sister. She loves to bake as well. And then we kind of put it in that cute little bag and kind of put some powdered sugar and just shake that, and we made our beignets. That is it for this vlog. I love making vlogs, and if you guys enjoyed them, then let me know because I will be making more of these types of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to be part of the Kawaii family, and follow me at the official_Abby on Instagram to get some cute Kawaii fashion inspiration. If you guys like nanchatte seifuku fashion, if you guys like Japanese fashion, or even just Kawaii fashion, Kawaii pop culture, sanrio, all that cute stuff, then go ahead and check out my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!